there it goes. Now they're awake. And terrorizing each other. They'll all play really nice and sweet together, and then Baby Bel Air will make everybody cry. She's a sweetheart. She's just bigger, and she has her teeth much farther in than everybody else's already. And so she bites them and she makes them cry. She puts like their whole leg in her mouth and chomps. Or a whole ear, and then she'll just shake and pull. Her mom hasn't corrected her for it yet. She just goes and kind of, as soon as she gets in there, then Bel Air leaves and is done.